today's something to smile about comes from Hebrews 6:10, and it reads, God is not unjust. He will not forget your work and the love you've shown him as you have helped his people and continue to help them. Now that's something to smile about. Hi everybody, welcome to the RDH Encore channel. I'm Nikesha and I'm a registered dental hygienist. So I wanted to make a short video today to show you all this package that I got in the mail. So I had a subscriber comment in the comment section down below on one of my videos a while ago, and she recommended that I try these toothbrushes out. She asked me if I had heard about this particular company and whether I've tried the toothbrushes or not. So I went over to their website and I decided to order some to give it a try. So I haven't really tried them yet, so that's why it's still in the package. I received this package about a couple of weeks ago, but I wanted to make sure that I waited to unbox it on camera, so I'll be doing that today. I'd like to unbox this, and this particular company is Coral Oral. Just to tell you a little bit about the company, I wanted to visit the website again. So I went on over to coraloral.com to learn a little bit more about their products, and it looks like you know, they have a small amount that they're offering, and it's mainly just toothbrushes. So I guess a little bit to find out a little bit more about the company. It says Brush with Art, Black owned, youth ran community support. Okay, so their toothbrushes are supposed to look a little bit more I guess more like art versus your conventional regular toothbrush. And then also it's Black owned, so you know, it's nice to support people who look like me as well. To, you know, they're out there in the dental field or whatever they're doing to support one another. Okay, so it says what's so different. So I mean, it looks like a conventional regular toothbrush, and so basically it says what's so different. Not only are these toothbrushes more aesthetically pleasing, you differentiate each toothbrush by its pattern and not its color. Our company is youth ran, so oh my goodness, they're ran by youth. And they're Black owned, and they feature interesting oral health facts, including Black history facts that we all should know. It's pretty neat, and very, very unique. So it looks like their 4-pack toothbrushes have like different patterns on the actual bristles versus different colors of the toothbrush. So you'll see that a little bit when we unbox them. So it says choose by pattern. Normally we pick our toothbrushes by color, either blue, green, pink, but these Coral Oral bristles, with these Coral Oral bristles, it's kind of a tongue twister to say that, Coral Oral bristles, you choose your favorite patterns, either plain, white, checkered, half and half, and striped. And you'll see that a little bit more once we unbox them. It says representation matters. When teaching inner city youth, we are predominantly Black about oral health. Showcasing models close to their skin complexion and featuring a Black history fact helps bring a sense of dignity when brushing your teeth. So yeah, I mean, like I said, it does help to have people that look like you representing. And then also different but the same. We believe that every human being is created different, not so that we can despise each other, but so that we can get to know one another. Coral Oral highlights the beauty and the essence and boldness in the color Black. That's amazing. This is one of the things like I said, I went over to the website whenever she first told me about the about this particular brand, and I started to read some of these things and also some of the testimonials and things. I mean, I ordered these at like super early in the morning. It was like maybe 8 o'clock or something, I don't know. I just went right over whenever I got the comment and started to kind of look a little bit, and I immediately ordered them because I mean the price is good, and I mean I just love what they stand for. I mean that's amazing. So I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the unboxing. I'm not going to tell you very much more about it. I like that they keep it simple, and it's a positive message for sure. So let's get right on into the unboxing. that, you know, some people may think that it's just a regular manual toothbrush, in which it may be. I mean, but I love what it stands for. I love what they're doing out in the community for inner city kids. I love that it's youth ran and it's black owned. That's amazing, you know. And I love that they give some black history, dental history with each toothbrush, and I think it's the same thing on each one of them, of the ones that I got. So yeah, it's probably an assortment of them, but it's the same for all 4 of them that I received today. So I think that this is going to change some things in people's lives, you know, that live in the inner city, you know, that may not know a whole lot about or have access to dental. I think it's at least going to educate them. This is amazing what they're doing, and I'm all down for it. So I definitely will be using these toothbrushes, and I will let you all know. If nothing else, I'll just like comment, or I'll make an Instagram post or something like that, and kind of let you all know what I think about them. I really just think they're going to be just regular manual toothbrushes, kind of, you know, nothing special as far as, you know, what they do for your teeth, because obviously they're not electric or anything like that. But I just love what they stand for. I love the design. I think that this is an amazing thing that they're doing. 2 thumbs up. And so, but if I find anything that is unique about using the toothbrush and how it makes my teeth feel, or whatever the case may be, I will be sure to leave that in the description down below. I will also possibly do it like an Instagram posting or something like that. So follow me on Instagram, RDH Encore, or at RDH Encore, and I'll leave that information in the description down below. I'm also on Twitter as well, and I think it's Encore RDH. So like I said, I just wanted to do a short video to show you all the unboxing of the Coral Oral Toothbrushes. I really am excited about this brand. I'm excited about what they're doing. So I really think it's a good thing. Thumbs up, and keep up the good work. Well, that's all that I have for today. So until next time, everyone take care, and remember to let your smile shine. Bye.